Hey there, welcome to Homistics. Today I want to talk to you about what it means to have a sacred home and why I think it is a good idea. I'll share some great tips with you on how you can create a sacred home whilst I tidy up a little bit and decorate for Easter. Sometimes our homes can feel just like another place to complete tasks and manage chaos. But what if I tell you you can transform your living space into a sacred sanctuary that nourishes your soul and uplifts your spirits? Because that's what sacred homes are supposed to do. A sacred home is not for any specific religious belief. It is a universal concept that crosses all peoples and borders and traditions. It is about creating an atmosphere that nurtures the soul, that promotes inner peace and inspires personal growth. One part of the sacred home is the physical environment. That is the layout, the design, the decor of the space, where natural elements and materials are often used, such as wood, stone, or plants, to evoke a sense of grounding and connection to the earth. Also, decorating with sacred objects can bring in that feel. Colors are carefully chosen to create a harmonious and uplifting ambience within the home. Another aspect of the sacred home are the rituals and practices. These can range from daily routines such as meditation or prayer to ceremonies for special occasions. It could be even preparing meals. Rituals and routines help to create a sense of sacredness and mindfulness, bringing in that peacefulness, as I said, into our homes, like lighting candles or burning incense or creating an altar or a common practicing place that bring in a sense of reverence within the home. The home becomes a place of support and understanding, where we can be our authentic selves and feel acceptance and belonging. Our world can sometimes feel chaotic and stressful, but the sacred home provides the much needed refuge where we can retreat to find solace. And that is something I believe we need more than ever before. Let me share some things with you that you might want to include in your sacred home. The first step in creating a sacred home is setting an intention. Decide what kind of energy and feeling you want to cultivate in your home. Do you want it to be a place of peace? Do you want it to be a place of creativity or perhaps a place of love or maybe all of the above? Once you've set your intention, it would help you to keep things in mind as you make decisions about your space. Declutter and organize. Clutter can create a sense of chaos and stress. So, to create a sacred space, it is important to declutter and organize your home. That doesn't mean it should be perfect, it means it should be manageable. You should be able to enjoy it and not endure it. And try your best to make sure that your space has purpose. Bring nature indoors. Incorporating elements of nature into your home can create a calming and grounding effect. This could be as simple as having some houseplants, some natural materials in your decor, or opening the windows to let fresh air in and some bright light. All that can help to make your home feel more sacred. Houseplants have several positive effects on us, like improving the air quality. Studies have shown that being around plants can help reduce stress and improve the mood. They can also promote a sense of well being and relaxation and improve the focus and productivity. There are plants that have healing properties as well. For example, aloe vera can be used to soothe skin irritations and burns. Some plants like lavender and jasmine can help to improve sleep quality and release calming scents. Another thing you might consider doing is to create personalized sacred spaces. These are designated areas in your home for activities that nourish your soul. This could be a meditation corner, a reading nook, or an art station. Personalize these spaces with items that inspire and uplift you and make you want to just be happy, joyous, and loving. Another thing you might want to consider doing is incorporating symbols and artwork. Symbols and artwork that resonate with you can add a sacred touch to your home. This could be religious or spiritual symbols, images of loved ones, artwork that inspire you. It's like adding visual cues that support your home and kind of like makes the vibe complete. Use aromatherapy. Scents can powerfully impact our mood and mindset. Consider using essential oils, scented candles, or incense to create a calming and peaceful atmosphere. As I said earlier, lavender, for example, is known for its relaxing properties, while citrus scents can be energizing and uplifting. Lastly, practice gratitude. Remember that the energy you bring into your home is just as important as the physical elements that you bring in. Make it a habit to express gratitude for your home and the sanctuary it provides each time you walk into your home or you leave it. Maybe say a little prayer. Pray for protection or for blessing, a little thank you for keeping you safe, for example. Be kind to your home. Be grateful for the support that it's giving you. Be aware of what you have and be thankful. Creating a sacred home is about much, much more than just decor. The concept of a sacred home holds the physical, the emotional, and the spiritual aspects of our home. It is a place that nurtures our souls. It promotes well-being and inspires us to live a more conscious and fulfilling life. A place that reflects our values, our beliefs, and our aspirations. I hope I've given you some inspiration on creating your own sacred home. Thanks for watching, and remember, an organized home is a happy home. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.